Okay, so here's the first
The big crack. Yeah.
major broken section. That section at the top is actually about to fall in. It's got a crack all the way around. Some tree roots where it wasn't cleared properly. Tree roots. There's a crack. Another crack. There's a crack in the middle.
4 cracks.
Hmm?
About 4 cracks above.
Yeah, another crack there.
So every
Almost in every joint there's a crack next to it, yeah. Crack on the right at 3 o'clock. Another crack. First junction. So do you want me to include that one or leave it up for now? Yep. So this here, you've got all those cracks. So that one definitely, that goes to the toilet as well.
Yeah.
That definitely needs a junction patch.
It's a 2 junction patch there because there's one up top and the gully.
Yeah. You got all those cracks there. So that's a 100% junction patch.
Yeah.
Like, and that goes to the toilet, and that's cracked there. See?
Yeah.
There, and you got like a root there.
Yep.
That's a 100% junction patch too.
Yep.
From the gully that was lined to the PVC at the boundary trap. The junction just there to the left.
That's the toilet junction.
It is the toilet junction.
This is the laundry junction.
Yep, we're coming up to the laundry junction, just there on the left.
Yep.
This junction was not relined
Yep.
with the junction patch. That picks up the upstairs and the kitchen.
It can be done.
That can be done
Next
at
time.
any time, really.
So no roots can penetrate now.
Absolutely
What's
not.
that there?
That's a very broken section. So that's all broken there. That was
Yeah.
very dislodged. So it's all been sealed up.
So is it sealed? I mean, the stuff on the left there. Is it like is it like
Oh, that's just a settlement in the drain.
settlement in the drain?
Just because it's been used for 2 weeks. If you look at the original recording from when I first did it, it's not there.
Yeah.
So we're then sealed all the way onto the PVC there.
Yeah.
That's our provision that we installed. And then this riser here is for the boundary trap. So the junction liner goes right to the very edge of the gully. And that's the main line there. Into the main line. See the water running from upstream. Liner to the very edge of the gully.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.